Okay, next we're going to prep it so that we can turn it right side out. So to do that, on these corners, if you've pivoted them correctly, that's where the needle stopped in the down position, you lifted the presser foot and turned it, then you can clip the corners. We're just going to cut that extra fabric off the corners, and what that does is it removes the bulk so that the corners will be sharp when you turn them. Just make sure you don't cut your stitches, and so all 4 corners will be cut off like this. Okay, and now we're going to flip. We're going to flip the bean bag right side out. By turning it through the opening that you left. And if you backstitched, the opening should stay secure. If you didn't backstitch or you didn't do it very well, then the stitches might start to come out, so then you'll have a problem. So we're just going to flip that, and then we're going to get the corners. So I can take a pointy, you can put the end of your seam ripper. I have a fingernail file I like to use, or just the tip of your scissors. If you're careful, you just don't want to cut the fabric, and point your corners out like this, and then when you're done flipping it, it will look like this. Next step, we're going to put the beans inside the opening of the beanbag, and so in order to do that, we kind of need something to help get them in so that we don't spill them all over the place. So we're going to take a plain sheet of paper and a piece of tape, and we're going to kind of fold this into a funnel shape like this. So there's an opening. Make sure you leave an opening big enough, small enough that it will fit into the hole of the beanbag, but big enough that the beans will fit through. Okay, and then I'm just going to take a piece of tape and tape it so it doesn't fall apart. Okay, then I'm going to get some beans. There's my beans, and I'm going to stick my funnel into the opening, and then I'm going to pour the beans into the funnel and work the beans into the bean bag.